Hey John, spoke to Janet. This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas, and in this quick video I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you can beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. Typically, the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. And so I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of these business owners still end up raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you. Just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this, just give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay too. This is just free education. The 3 things I'm going to go over with you today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is everything on the front page of your website that Google can crawl through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just phrases that people search into Google to find your business, such as like fencing in Katy or, fence repair Katy. Now, Google looks at authoritative websites nowadays as having 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and that includes all the text you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your images are saved as. So if you look at your website here, it looks like you got a really nice website. You've got some photos up here, a good amount of content. As far as it's a good start to content, more than a lot of people do, especially in the Katy area, but you're going to want to have more. Like I said, Google looks for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on their page, and you're almost there. You're at 1,257. So I'd recommend adding about 250 more words. You look at Katy Fence Repair, they've got a bit of content, but not that much. You're already beating them in content. And then Maverick, same. They don't have that much content, so you're already beating them in content. I would just make sure you pass the threshold for Google's authority, and I would say definitely get up to 1,500, 2,000 words. You also want that to be stuffed with keywords that you're targeting. And if you look at your images, that counts as content too. So instead of having this as a number, say this is like Fence Repair Katy TX or something like that. Same with here, Fence Repair Katy TX, something like that. Now, content is king, but it isn't the end-all fix-all, which is why you're not ranking higher than everyone else. The more important thing is called backlinks. Backlinks are not more important, but the missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks, which are important because Google's like a popularity contest. And so I look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. You get a lot more power from other fence companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it does show you a lot of really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. It says you currently have 6 websites linking to you. Katy Fence Repair has 17 linking to them, and Maverick Fence has 6 linking to them. Okay? So again, you don't have that far to go. This is actually what we call low-hanging fruit. All you'd have to really do is get about 12 to 15 more websites linking to you to beat these guys and make sure they're in the fencing industry. And the best way to do that is just go over here and see what links they have and take them from them. So like, I would take all these links and add them to your own website, okay? And then get some more and add them on top of that. Final thing we're going to talk about is citations. When someone types in fence company Katy TX and they're ready to buy a fence, they're typically going to call the first company that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that company because those are the easiest customers to close. Now, most people skip these ads nowadays because, one, a lot of people have ad blockers so they never see them. But there's also a large group of people who've had bad experiences with them, so they just skip them on purpose. So the best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map hack ranking. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. And citations are anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List. These are all really common ones. And so a great strategy here is to go figure out what directories your competitors are in, go list yourself in those exact same directories, and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend anywhere between 30 and 40% more. That way, once you take that number 1 spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you. That's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over today was, again, content. I would definitely recommend getting another 250 words on your front page and make sure it's stuffed with the right keywords that people are looking for. Backlinks, you're going to want to add at least another 11 to 15 websites pointing to you to take these guys, to take their traffic. And then citations, you're going to want to find out what kind of directories your competitors are listed in. List yourself in those same directories, add a bunch more on top. So if you guys want to do this yourself, by all means, that's totally okay. Like I said, this is free education. All I ask is you give me a couple words of feedback as a response to this to help me make these videos better in the future. And if you want me to do this for you, our website is SEO Dallas TX.com. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. If you're looking at our website on mobile, just click this link, it goes right to our phones. Thanks so much for watching this, John. Have a great day. Bye.